제이슨입니다. 안녕 친구들, 잘 지냈나요? 오늘은 I love animal 두 번째 시간 제시 티처를 만나러 가는 시간입니다. 자, 그럼 제이슨과 함께 율동하고 출발합니다. 스탠드업! Are you ready?
Hands up! Hello everyone! Welcome to 잉글리쉬고고! Are you ready? Yes, I'm ready! Right, right, left, left, right, right, left, left, right, 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 left, 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 left. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now tap the body part. Let's go! Head, 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 head. Shoulder, 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 shoulder. Side, side. Bottom, bottom. Knee, knee. Toes, toes. 1, 2, 3, 4. Big, 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 big. Small, 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 small. Big, small, big, small. Big, small, big, small. Okay, boys and girls, line up here. Let's make a train. Are you ready? Go! Walk, 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 walk. Run, 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 run. Walk, 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 walk. Back to your seat.
오! Good job, everyone. 이야, 우리 친구들 정말 멋졌습니다. 그럼 제이씨 티처를 만나러 갈 준비가 됐으니까 제이슨을 따라오세요. 고고고고고.
You know, I really love dogs. They're so cool. What's your favorite animal? Oh, really? Wow, great. Well, hey, I've got an idea. Why don't we use our bodies and stretching to spell the names of different animals? Are you ready? Let's go. Level 1. Okay, guys, now we're gonna stretch and make animal words with our bodies. Okay, ready for the first word? 1, 2, D. Okay, now sit down. Ready? 1, 2, O. Good job. Okay, now 1, 2, G. Great. Let's try it one more time. Stand up and 1, 2, D. Great. Sit down. 1, 2, O. Right. And 1, 2, G. And that spells dog. All right, guys, let's go on to the next animal. Level 2. All right, guys, I bet you really want to know what the next animal is. So, let's spell its name using stretches and our bodies as the letters. First one, S. Good. Next one, 1, 2, N. Great. Okay, next letter. Sit down. A. Great. Okay, next one. K. All right, and the last letter. 1, 2, E. Awesome job. I guess you guys know what it is. It's a snake. Okay, let's go and see what the next animal's gonna be. Level 3. All right, what could the next animal be? Let's spell its name. Okay, first letter. 1, 2, T. Okay, next. 1, 2, I. Great job. Now, the next one. 1, 2, G. Great. And turn around. 1, 2, E. Okay, the last letter. 1, 2, R. Do you know what it is? It's a tiger. Awesome job. There's still more animals though, so let's find out what they are. Level 4. Okay guys, let's find out what the next animal is. The first letter is 1, 2, M. Good. Next one, sit down. 1, 2, O. All right, now stand up. 1, 2, N. Great job. Next one, 1, 2, K. Okay, next letter, sitting down. 1, 2, E. Okay, there's one more letter left. 1, 2, Y. That's right, it's a monkey. Great job. What could the next animal be? There's only one more left. Let's find out. Level 5. Okay guys, there's just one more animal left. I wonder what it could be. Hey, let's find out by spelling its name with our bodies and stretching. Okay, first letter, 1, 2, D. Great. Next letter, turn around. Like this. 1, 2, U. Great. Okay, next letter, sit down, and 1, 2, C. Awesome. Last letter, 1, 2, 3, the letter K. D-U-C-K. What does that spell? Duck. That's right. Well, you guys have worked really hard. Now it's time for some stretching.
제시 티처와 함께 오늘 정말 멋진 시간, 즐거운 시간, 훌륭한 시간, 우리 친구들 최고였습니다. 다음 시간에 또 만나도록 해요. 그럼 see you next time. Stand up. Are you ready?